how to make French toast. First thing you want to do is you want to toast the bread. And now the reason why we're toasting the bread is because that way the French toast comes out good. It doesn't come out soggy. It just comes out perfect. And we're gonna make this simple man style, so I'm gonna show you guys all that. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar. You guys don't have to add sugar if you don't want to. I'm gonna mix it all up together real nice. Then a little bit more. Bless it, bless it, bless it. Whoever eats the food is gonna be blessed. Now what you want to do is add some butter. Now, lightly toasted with the bread, you guys. Right? What you're gonna do is just gonna dip it in a little bit here. Flip it around. Because it's toasted, we don't need. So this way, it comes out nice. You see that? It's nice. Just put it right in there. Don't need to soak it too much. Just one side. The other side. You see how we don't waste nothing, man. All we got in here is like 2 eggs, man. A little bit of milk, a little bit of sugar. This is gonna taste really good, you guys. Like really good. Don't need to over soak nothing. One, couple of 2. There you go, 3 out of there. You guys kind of see that color, how they're getting that like golden brown. You want to flip them under that color, okay? So get both sides real nice. Kind of like that. You see, keep an eye on it, you know? It's nice. That's the color you want right there. Nice, golden brown, beautiful. Man, this smells so good. Okay, and then usual. Add sugar, add maple syrup, add honey, however you like them. But this is how you make French toast, simple. Tastes so good. All right, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.